Right, so we're in a nice park called Weelsby Woods on Cleethorpes, and we're going to go and do an adventure lab and some physical geocaches, hopefully. So, and we're going to look for a special tree, which is called the blue tree. Hi everyone, so I hope you enjoy this today. The place is actually called Weelsby Woods. I'm pretty sure I call it a few things while walking around, so enjoy. It's got a hole in it, but obviously there's nothing in the hole.
Too dark, yeah, very. It's a big hole down there, so.
Not in here. It's definitely not in here. Oh, got it, it's here.
Oh, I've got it. More.
It's just on the floor.
Yeah.
So this stone here is a foundation stone for where the accommodation huts were in Weelsby Park during the Carpathian Lancasters Regiment of the Polish Army. Hi everyone, so I told you there was a blue tree, and here it is. The tree has been painted blue from a group called A Platform to Talk. By painting one of the trees blue in Weelsby Woods, it will prompt people to ask why the tree is blue. That way, we have succeeded in making more people talk about mental health. So that came from a lady called Linda Gibbs, who said that the Friends of Weelsby Woods and North East Lincolnshire Council gave approval for this. So yeah, very interesting to find here in Weelsby Woods. Just on a cache, it's right up this tree. I've sent the young one up to do it.
Watch out for the hole though.
Let's just put it up. Yeah.
Walk through.
Come on now. Me too, got it. So we're heading to the next geocache in these woods at Weelsby. Hopefully this one will be a straightforward find as well. Alright, this one's found another one. Another geocache done. We'll have a look in a second and see what number we're on. The last cache we did made it 4,057 in total. So yeah, we're not doing bad. We've found 6 so far today. This is an ad lab stage. And here Mick Hall was an athlete. And his saying was, no such word as can't. Polish soldier bear, Jasmine. Polish soldiers regrouping in Iran after their release from Stalin's gulags in 1942 adopted a bear cub as their mascot. The bear grew up with the men of the 22nd Transport Company of the Polish 2nd Corps, and by 1943 he was transporting artillery shells with them during the Battle of Monte Cassino on the Italian front. After the battle, the image of a bear carrying an artillery shell became the insignia of the 22nd Transport Company. In 1945, the bear ended his military career in a camp for displaced Polish servicemen unwilling to return to Poland, now occupied by Soviet troops. He was retired to Edinburgh Zoo, where he was regularly visited by former Polish servicemen now settled in Britain. He died in 1963. Another cache done. That's a nice cache container.
Yes.
Very cache container. Unfortunately, one of the lines has gone, but there's been lines here showing the entrance to Weelsby Woods for 70 years, but the other one's gone. Yeah. So that's it, done. And put it on the line. Okay, so now we're in another park, which is called the People's Park here in Cleethorpes. So we're going to do another adventure lab. And it's a nice circular lawn, basically. There's some beautiful houses over there as well. Anyway, let's go and do this first one. First one is at this bandstand. Yeah.
I want to get the baby.
You would want it all in. Put this not all in, just stick the handle in.
No.
You just got enough and not enough.
Yeah, but then I won't have any light.
So this is the Smethurst Memorial. On his Alderman Smethurst, Mayor of Grimsby in 1890. Alderman Henry Smethurst, the Mayor of Grimsby in 1886 and 1887. Chairman of the School Board 1880 to 1889. Born 1819, died 1892. He had a good life. So the carver of this monument is actually written on here. It's R.W. Ray. Looks like hay, but it's actually Ray. So it's actually, if you look at it, it's draped and stacked around with sailing and fishing gear, including ropes, cables and pulleys, nets, sails, flags, chains and anchors, and a buoy inscribed GV180. Seaweed, crabs and barnacles. Smethurst, a leading figure in Grimsby, owned the port's largest fleet of fishing smacks. It's a grade 2 listed monument, this. Absolutely beautiful garden, this. Imagine it's summer with these rose bushes, beautiful. There's a short history of the development of the People's Park. So 1881 when it was established as a public park. 1889 it had a drinking fountain, erected and paid for by public subscription. Whale jawbones installed near one of the entrances, but the feature has now been lost. Okay, it's the centre of the park, of the People's Park. And it is basically a circular, full circular, with houses that run around the edge. Very nice houses, I've got to say, all around the park. and there's a bowling green just over that hedge line. But there's no game on today. So there we go, folks. That's put us on 4067 now in total, and that's the bowling green, so that's the last shot. So I hope you enjoyed the parks today. I hope you did. Please remember to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Plenty more content to come from various places around the UK and over Europe. Thank you and goodbye.